We have been using this fire pit area more now that it's getting colder outside, and I think we're gonna mix it up a bit.
And you're gonna have to dump it in that hole all the way around the post.
Okay.
And you're gonna have very little time to do it.
Oh gosh, okay.
Roll that until it pops in. Okay, now back and forth. And this is like, gotta be quick. I think I like it. I mean, we'll see how well it holds up, but I mean, you can just stand there and hold it. It sets up quick enough. It's a lot better than having to brace everything off. It's not rated for structural, but for fences.
And this is just decoration.
I mean, they used to just put them in holes and fill them with dirt.
True. So you just saw us put in some posts with this really cool foam post setting, I think is what it's called. It acts as 2 bags of concrete, but obviously it's a lot less stressful than adding concrete. And if you were building a fence, you could start building on these posts after 2 hours of pouring this stuff in, which is really cool. But anyway, I wanted to go over what we're doing to the space. So with the posts, we are adding some string lighting to them, starting from the fence to these posts with some metal wire connecting them all, so they're not super droopy. We want them to be kind of straight. And then we are redoing the fire pit area with adding some stools from some logs of trees that we have cut down from the property, and we are sugi bonding them. Sugi bond. I don't know how to pronounce that right, but I have been obsessed with this look for a little bit now, and I'm super excited for this part. But last but not least, we are putting some protection on our fence, which we have been meaning to do for a really long time now, but we are adding some YellaWood Wood Protector to the fence, and we're super excited for this part as well. So I just wanted to go over the game plan really quick, and let's continue on.
Might work.
Sweet. We're going to Shou, keep on. And we're gonna go pick us out a log.
Maybe this one.
Okay.
That's big enough for your butt to sit on it.
Yeah.
That is incredibly hot.
I can imagine. So the internet is saying to use a bristle or a wire brush and just brush off all like the soot until there's no more soot coming off, and then you can wipe that down with water. And the only wire brush we have is a grill brush, so that is what I'm going to do. I mean, it's gonna go everywhere.
I mean, you can say that, but I'm also very good at what I do.
Are you?
Yeah. If I do this correctly, it's not going to go everywhere. It's going to go some places, not everywhere. Okay.
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 Everywhere.
You stopped.
Everywhere.
Just keep going.
Everywhere. You were right. Everywhere.
Wait, say that again. Repeat what you said.
Yep. No need to repeat. This right here is YellaWood's brand new product. It is called Protector. It is a semi-transparent wood stain specifically designed for their treated deck boards, but it can be used for all sorts of things like we used on our fence today. It is very durable, water-based, UV protective, all the good things, but very easy to apply and provides a lot of protection. If you're interested, there's links in the description below. That's pretty cool, right? That is the Wagner Flexio 3500. It's a super affordable and very easy to use paint sprayer. And as always, if you're interested, there is a link in the description below.